And he's so he's a narcissistic liar, dirty blood clot that. And he's so humble. Jakes beat me daily. Cut. Cut by Jakes. Cut by Jakes. Cut by Jakes. Cut by Jakes. I'll let me head Jakes back my Friday before me leave. Grab all my throat. Eh? And Jake seems like he's more interested in people them. I lie, when I lie. It's who make them go to school. I have to cook them food and wash them clothes. You have to take up a responsibility as a parent. Me alone I gotta do everything. It means a narcissist liar, dirty blood clot. You say you can flip. You say you can flip and show no clean pitney. Me make them blood clot clean.
You might not know, but Jake's not afraid for work. So, now interact with me, try to get me out of my gloomy state. You understand? I'm still depressed, but you understand, because people really show me love and I like that, and I'm really willing to help me out with my baby them. I really appreciate that. You understand? For no, sorry, then I get some help now, so I can get them out and them can get to leave from them house to school. Not from which part them there right now. You understand? To school. Come if I understand, so them I still go to school anyway. So God for that, bro. You know, John knows that. I'm not coming to go up against some baby mother, you know, because I'm telling you this too. So them stay and she make it possible. You understand?
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set with Bless. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat and I can't see. But on the screen, yeah, Rosealee finally responding to her baby daddy who broke silence and gone on TikTok. And I tell theme side of the story. Putting in the comment section where you think about that, because they never really said nothing bad about her. And about, you know, situations that them I got through, you know, really just scratch the surface. But right now, she is going in. You know what I mean? And I rub him out to the marrow, you see me? You know what I mean? So that's like I share the video from now on our social media platforms. And let's hear what I go on for not to go on, you see me?
Pull up. Me never diss nobody. And you just come like a bungle up for listen. All the way my second one, you're the business. Things you never gonna tell you no. And him too enough. That's why I have to leave him as a mama, man. Him is a mama blood clot, man. You come on the internet look help. People may look some help for dry. What the bumper pussy blood clot? You go down the details. We have to chat on pan live. Pussy. If I hear blood clot that. He pussy. And he's so he's a narcissistic liar, dirty blood clot that. And he's so humble. Jakes beat me daily. Cut. Cut by Jakes. Cut by Jakes. Cut by Jakes. Cut by Jakes. I'll let me head Jakes back my Friday before me leave. Grab all my throat. And Jakes seems like he's more interested in people them. I lie, when I lie. It's who make them go to school. I have to cook them food and wash them clothes. You have to take up a responsibility as a parent. Me alone I gotta do everything. It means a narcissist liar, dirty blood clot. You say you can flip. You say you can flip and show no clean pitney. Me make them blood clot clean. I know all protocols. But that's never come tell you no so cocky blood clot over here. That's what make wanna beat me. Oh, and I put the gun. And the next time she gonna make out with my me and AKEEM not gonna wear blood clot. Him go about him business, and him go about him business, and me go about my blood clot business. They're not gonna blood clot way. I know the fucking reason why me even go down the camera want him feel that way, because the earlier in the day I made him drive all boat. Made him drive all boat. Me did assist that him assist me. So what the blood clot problem? Oh, Jakes. It's who make them clean. So me ask someone to suck cock over here. We're in a box now. All stinking pussy blood clot. Dirty mama, to suck cocky flying. Ugly salamite momo. Sleaze bag gonna suck cocky flying. You don't know nothing about me and weight. I don't know nothing about my blood clot business. I'm telling you my business now because there's no one here. Because someone I get really bright. I me mind my picnic them. Ask the father. Ask him how much time he pay a blood clot school fee. Ask him if I buy a socks or ribbon or a clip. Big pussy people, yeah. Ask him that. Ask him who make them clean. And who buy fab soap for wash them clothes. And who make them eat. Oh. 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 Jaron, come click like you beg, we want beg. Certain information if you talk about like, but you got a lot of your stinking mouth, because enough. Things when I not tell the people, when you say, oh, when you come out, come say these things, I'm going to say you're interested, but you can't talk when I not go talk. Because I don't get the 411 already, so I can't talk certain things. So you can come out and talk and you make me look bad and like you want twist story for me, you make me look blood clot bad. You can't make me look bad. Pussy. Suck your mama. You can't make me look bad. Pussy. You run about, oh, I don't want my kids. And I love me. Everybody love them pitney. So you love your kids and I don't. I tell the media, you love you come pay bad life for me. But tell the media say you love your kids and I don't. But I want to say you love you put them and I blood clot don't. It's who mind them. Who each of them guys. I'm Mr. Taste of Jakes. I said to my man in that school, you know, you look for me and make me, you know, say you not have it that week, yeah. You look for me and make me know say you not have it that week, yeah. But stick, man, I think I don't want $1 for you. Me no send, man, I black arty for my black you. Don't send me nothing, me not like you know. Don't send me nothing, me not like you know. Don't send me nothing, me not like you know. Man, I have arty through, the page will look like arty one to a rose, black it, move. Move. Don't send me nothing. Me remember when you at work. And me look for yesterday say, I said to my man in school, you know. You will look at me and say to me, say, them have to go sit out September morning. And you work, I mean I work. You work, I mean I work. I'm say, what? You work, I mean I work. You make me know, say, me have to sit out September morning until I catch young belly. Until I catch your first young belly. I'm say, me I breathe, you know. Me now work, struggles, and you alone I work. I say, what? I'm September morning, so I know, say, I have to sit out September morning. I say, lie, tell. I sit up on my belly in the whole house. I sit up on my belly. Sit down on it, on the ground. Sit down on it, up on the ground, on my belly. I beg 10, 20, 30, 40 and blood clot 50. I beg to reach $300. The first thing I take on the blood clot school fee. The first thing I take on the school fee. The second thing I take on are shoes, cheap shoes. I want to store go buy. All the shoes cheap, it's all a strip. As I wear 2 times, it's strip. But I can want cheap shoes, but I can 2 but I say, hey, pussy. And me and mama, me not wait for no boy. Tell the people them that. When I miss my kids and tell them that, say me, Rosealee, me tell us that me not wait for you. No time. So you could have sit down and lay back all of these times. So the one I'm gonna run up and in a box and chat and lick flip and me make him lay blood clot back. Come in and depend on him when come and me you them. That's all if you know. And then from there's a winning away, I must get them back. Must. I must get them back for see them most. I mean I work towards it. But me not telling them my business. No time. Here go, I'm just want me youth them, I'm just want me youth them, I'm a youth them, because somebody truth here, click your live. Let me truth here, click your live, Jakes. I'll suck cocky mini. Mini, me have 5 blood clot just up in a can where dirty Jakes, I have to take them up and wash them. Sexy mini, say me have 5 jars, we each up in a can of Jakes after wash them. Somebody will look at you. Come, let me go to the forefront. Suck cocky mini, I mean, and black you. Suck a dirty woman. What do you want, Jake? So fuck you. You don't want Jakes to fuck you. Remember when you and Jakes a blood clot, like one night him come in from work and you ring down him blood clot phone. As him reach to the blood clot house, Wi-Fi chipping and phone, you ring down him phone. You ring down him phone. So I says, who that? I want woman who me panty, you don't look Jakes to fuck you. You don't want to come and him fuck you, sexy me. Tell me that. Sexy mini. Telling me that you don't want Jakes to fuck you. You don't want Jakes to blood clot fuck you. Every morning, 5 o'clock I call him out and blood clot bed. I owe this. I know your time now. Every morning, 5 or 6 o'clock I call him out of the blood clot bed. For sit down online with that chat. You never said him a dollar fuck you looking at your stinking hole. You can't bring me down. Let me kick the bucket. Any dirty clothes and dirty jars, me have Jakes wash them. Let me kick the bucket, bitch. You want to kick the bucket? Kick it. Let me kick it. I said, who are going to last long on this blood clot, yeah? So good, girl. Sky Diamond, any dirty jars, me have Jakes to wash it. So me want to kick the blood clot bucket. Me want to kick it. Panja. She doesn't want to kick it with me. Me want to kick it. 60 minutes in the jars, me have Jakes to wash it. So if I 5, I'm sure you him wash them. I'm going to have to get back them clean. Yeah, me go kick it. I don't want to know about, I don't know things about blood clot, girl. Yeah, come talk about. Rosealee can't close me because she have 5 daughters and him have to wash them. Anything one want me, I not go to it. Anything. My 5 daughters, I have to wash the 5 of them. And make sure me get them back blood clot clean. Suck on no matter. Yeah. Run up on platform now, me angle uno. I don't feel like I'm afraid of uno. Me not afraid of uno. Yeah. Me not afraid of uno. Yeah, run up on, but oh yeah, Mr. Kids, man. Oh, him show more interest when I pick them more than she. It's who mind them. It's who interested them eat. It's who interested them go to school. Eh? It's who mind them. Who's minding them? You know? Oh, more interest you can show more than me when me and my pick them. You can put on a picture clean. All the shoes by and the clothes by. Make a reason because I don't love chat. All the children not like me. And children not come telling my business on I can't hear it to put the paper. I'm thinking mama no want bathe in a foreign blood clot. You know swallow come like water. I do know. Make a reason yes so. Checks if you come and me that come look help come in at your minds, look it, don't call my blood clot name. And I talk about the you talk about. Don't mention me name baby mother blood clot. Look where your blood clot look. Cause it's a back and bell like Judas. And you come talk about me never ungrateful. If you never ungrateful, they wouldn't sit and chat me with blood clot woman. Woman can come on social media come talk about me have 5 jars so you have to wash. You think me I eat that? You take my blood clot stupid. You take me not no sense. Eh? Or if you care about the people them more than me, it's who have them. It's who got them through them 9 months. You ever buy a blood clot receiver yet? Batty boy ever buy a receiver yet? You ever buy a receiver yet? How much money you give me for baby clothes, Shanta? Make a reason. Me some of the stinking old girl over here. When Shanta ban, how much money you give me for buy baby clothes? When Shanta ban, how much money you give me for buy baby clothes? When Barbara ban, how much money you give me for buy baby clothes? You ever buy a tin of feed yet? You ever buy a pampas yet? You ever buy a pram yet? I never have no problem. I have my opinion. How much money you give me for go to ultrasound? You ever buy me a night yet? You ever buy me a pad yet? You ever buy a soap? Give me a rag yet? Make a reason, pussy. Can you run company and I chat about, I'm just warm up like a show and light say. Me? Not capable none at all. It's who mind them. It's who mind them. That more asking. Oh, Jakes is a nice father. And Jakes is a nice father. Jakes is a nice father. And Jakes is a good man. And he's so humble. The stinky girl, let me know. Oh, he's so humble. And he's so this. And he's so nice. I who mind them. Like how you're humble and nice, you're sweet, narcissistic junker. Narcotic or narcissistic or narco, whatever you want them dog shit. Who mind them? The picture them where you post up, even the party picture, what you know the pictures, so who keep the party pussy? You don't even build come here pick the blood clad party. A dirty clothes away, that's why you're in a no picture. Boy can buy fuck. Who a fuck you use your money by when you work? What reason? You remember, me get irritable upon this, you know. Cause I say, yes, sir, my work ground. And a boy now let the crown off of my blood clot head, you know. Cause me know you're done like make a reason. Who mind them? Who mind them? I who got to go work in the sun and make sure them go to school. I will go the extra mile for them. We contribute to. Don't fucking reason why I'm gonna cut you out of them life long time. It's because you never have a band coming out upon the go to work. The only reason me always missing work. Me always missing a look it for them. Me always missing a look it for them. The only reason why I never cut it from the neck long time out of them life. Because what? We are parent. And the things that I can't do, you can do it. And the things that you can't do, I can do it. And I tell myself that. Pussy and I mind up picking your blood clot. The only blood clot you do, I cook some food and wash some clothes. I get them if I go to school at morning time. And I get the hardest part of the blood clot work. I pay lunch money, uniform, clothes to wear go out, feedings every day, tablet, everything what them want for buy, everything I'm ever find it. Where you find? With the blood clot you find. Let me keep the bucket. Look the help where you look. I know you're broke now because you can't spend no more minds. I know you're broke now. You really want to look for them for true. Look your money. So people want to look for me putting them for true. Don't mention me name. I don't know you from nowhere. You're a sperms donor. You run up and dunk pan. You run up and dunk pan blood clot. Let me kick it. Let me kick it. Let me kick it. Liar boy. Let me a blood clot kick it. You look a suck pussy friend them. Stinking mini. Stinking sexy men and the dirty people them. When I say I run about this and that and that and my blood clot that and a GX1. Pussy me never star boy you couldn't click. No life. Suck out my see a big wall. And me never star boy you couldn't cook no blood clot live. You couldn't click no live. Me never blood clot a topic boy you star. You couldn't click no live. Cause I didn't look by you. So everything is all about me. Take that in your blood clot pipe and smoke it. Yeah. And me make you can't click live and people can't ever want to hear. What is your part of the story? But then if you talk me head up and after me get by the youth them, I'm sickle him, I'm gonna tell them what? Tell them it's me mine, you. The phone you have a shrimp and you want to bring me down is my money by it. Don't leave out that part there. The phone. Me plug out the Wi-Fi card. Jakes are down world me do. Me plug out the Wi-Fi. You can't, you have a gap people you got itch up. No blood clot AC. What a fan. And that's what you do where you are there do your life. It's fuck you by with your money because your main blood clot words are fuck. Your main words are fuck. It's fuck you by with your one. Your main reason are for, I don't want to do this and I want to do that. And I don't care what you want to do. Don't mention my name. Beg we are gonna call my name. And many enter your blood card me can't kick it. Cause Jake's not telling nothing yet. Yeah. Jake's not telling nothing yet. Come ball up me do the ballings. Yeah. Come ball up me do the blood clot ballings. Big pussy girl. Cause long time you just fuck you. And me tell him for name you out. Me tell her that already. Yeah, cause the first time I know say him talk to him come from work. Well, my work at the place where them no collection. And as I'm ringing at as I'm reaching at the blood clot house, I'm saying that man know. For sure I wanna set chat. For sure I wanna set chat. The boys are wicked boy, that's for me. 8, 9, 10, everything about Jakes. Jakes and the woman in a story behind my back. Remember, me and live a house, you know. Remember, me and live a house, you know. Me and you live a house. And you depend TikTok with that woman behind my back. Behind my back. For sure, say my cheat a long time. The big pussy woman where him a chat with, she used to look him for fuck. Him tell me say she looking for fuck her. She not the one come for fuck him. You talk to her behind my back. Me never know nothing, you know. Oh, me don't know, you know. For sure, say a long time I do things behind my back and me don't know. Oh, me gonna know say my no man attack behind my back. Him go sub boobs and him come in one day when I work for the collection place. As I'm reaching, him phone ring. Brrr, brrr, so that's about that. So as you reaching your phone and ring so. Him answer the phone. Yo. I soon call her back, I soon call her back, I soon call her back, I soon call her back. Somebody say soon call back. That not sound like one of your man friend me I talk to. That sound like a woman chat since that the night I pick my heart like a poop. Say so I'm coming, do what I do, and the things them I see him go we go chat to her. No, no pipe and smoke it. When Jake's a blood clot work, Jake's give me him feel like give me. You only give me one look at church buy food for put them down because you're gonna out when you come from work. It's me do all the cooking and the house chores. Cause some big pussy girl go like I can't cook. Some big pussy girl go like I can't. Me used to cook too. That was my business now. Me used to cook too. So like when I come here, me and kick the bucket. Me used to cook too. And wash too. And clean too. When him a work. No, you're not work. I'm here in the bedroom. Flip the scripture. What I want to know. Big pussy, me know I want to you. Where me see Jake's under blood clot sheet and my wife I show him hood.
And if you want to catch part 2 of our baby daddy Jake speaking out, go on the Boom Bye Bye news channel because we're not going to long it out run yes no more, you see me? Bless.